Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I posted on my community tab this purchase, which is a MAC Merry Must Have kit. I bought it for myself for Christmas. I'll show you what's inside. Now these were all wrapped in tissue paper. I have obviously taken them out of tissue paper. So you get a full Max Fix Plus spray, and this is 100ml, 3.4 fluid ounce. So you get that. You also get the MAC Hyper Real Serumizer Skin Balance and Hydration Serum. And this is 0.50 fluid ounce, 15 mils. Then you get the MAC lipstick in the shade Business Casual, which is a dark brown colour. It looks more like a reddy brown, but it's pretty brown. You also get the MAC Stack Mascara in the shade Black Stack Mascara, and it's 12ml. And the final product is a MAC eyeshadow. I'll show you what it looks like. It's in the shade Mythology. So that's what you get in the kit. So the first product I'm going to go in is with the MAC Serumizer Hyper Real. Comes with a wee pump. I'm just going to put a couple of pumps on the back of my hand and then smooth that into my skin. Smells really nice, feels nice on the skin, looks very glowy. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. So next I'm going to go in with a wee bit concealer on my eyelids. Do one at a time. And this is a Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C2.5. Take away these black bags. I do apologise that I haven't been posting it a lot recently. I've had two really close relatives pass away in my family, so it's been pretty hard. One was the 5th of November and one was the 6th of December. Both funerals have been, which was pretty hard. How has everybody been? Have you all been good? Did you have a nice Christmas? And what was your New Year plans? What did you do? Anything exciting? I just stayed in. I was in my bed with the bells. That's how exciting my life is. This wee brush is a dual colour. I'm not sure of the number on it. I'm going to do this eye. Take out any greasing and any excess product. So for brows, I'm going to go in with the BFF Brow Friends Forever Grow and Groom Brow Gel. And it's just a clear brow gel. Really good, this stuff. It really does work. Keeps the brows right up. I think it's the second best one that I've actually used. The first best one was ELF. So that's what the brush looks like. It's just a tiny wee brush, great size. It really does lock them in place. And I've actually been growing my brows in. I got a brow serum for Glossybox in one of the Glossybox subscriptions, and I used that and it's really brought my brows back in, which has been great. It was a lash and brow serum, unfortunately don't do it anymore, which is a shame because it really did work. So if anybody knows any really good, relatively decent priced brow serums, put it down in the comment box. Any video suggestions, you can leave them down below as well. I'll never ever get these two brows the same. This one's got a scar in it, so it does not lie the same as the other one at all. You can see the scar, it's right in there. I've had it since I was like 3 or 4 years old. So that brow's starting to set down already, which is fab. So I do recommend this one if you're looking for a good one. So for eyeshadow, we're going to go in with the wee MAC one, Mythology. Flat brush, B-Stop. Just take a wee bit of that product with the brush and then pop it on the lid. I think if you dampened your brush, it would be a lot more intense than what I can get it. And the same on this eye. So for mascara, I'm going to do my top lashes and I'm going to use this MAC Stack mascara. Just going to do the top at the moment. That's what the brush looks like. It's pretty spiky at the end, which I really didn't like. It's no good for the bottom lashes at all. Definitely separates and lengthens. And that's only one coat. I really like it for the top lashes. And I'll do the same on this eye. See, this one's sort of going a bit clumpier. I think it depends on what side or what bit the brush you're using. So that's the top lashes at the moment. Pretty nice. So for foundation, I'm going to use this wee sample that I've got. It's by Forever Skin Glow by Dior. It's in the shade 2N. Hopefully it is the right shade. And hopefully they'll have enough to do a full face. And I'm just going to tap it in my sponge. I definitely need a hydrating foundation for my skin tone, for my skin type. It's pretty dry, especially at this time of year. Anybody recommend any nice foundations? I'm no fussy about the coverage. It doesn't have to be like full coverage or light coverage, no specifics. I'm just going to take that down my neck a wee bit because I'm definitely on That's a wee bit too dark for me at the moment. I think this is more my tan shade. You see how dark it is on the sponge for 2N. So I'm just going to grab some concealer again for underneath my eyes, and I'm just going to use the same one, the Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C2.5. And I'm going to use the opposite side of my sponge. Anybody got any video suggestions, you can let me know. And if you haven't subscribed already, I would love it if you could subscribe to the channel and you would see any other future uploads that I upload, any videos. So for blush, I'm going to use this wee one from BH Cosmetics, and it is Duo Cheek Colour. And what's the shade? Caribbean Coral. That's what it looks like there. I'm just going to grab a fluffy brush, a dual colour, number 11. Super pretty colour. Same thing on this side. Then for bronzer, I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer. I'm going to use a fluffy brush. This is a So Eco taper blending brush. Pretty harsh. So for bottom mascara, I'm going to use this one. It's Lash Perfect. This is one of the smallest brush I could find out of my whole collection, and it's not very small. Just to do the bottom lashes. And the same thing on this eye. So for lips, we're going to use the Catrice Plumping Lip Liner. This one here, and it's in the shade Starring Row 040. And this is what it looks like there. Lovely colour, a brown, nude. And for the lipstick, we're going to use the MAC in the shade Business Casual. This is definitely a colour I would not pick. It's very, very creamy. Like melts onto the lips. Obviously, because it comes in that kit, you can't pick what you want for yourself. It already comes pre-packed. So I'm going to use a wee bit of the MAC Fix Plus. And let that dry. So what do you guys think? Do you like this? Would you purchase this MAC kit? Would you buy it? I hope you enjoyed this video, I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Bye everyone.